Hello YouTubers, Mauserman52 returning to you again today, and today I'm just going to do a very short video of my pistol collection. I'm actually more of a rifle guy than a pistol guy. The pistols have always been secondary in my collection, and we have 26 pistols out here today. I'm not even sure if I can remember them all. About 3/4 of them were sitting in the safe. Let's get down here. Let's see. P08 Luger. This is a Astra. It's a copy of the Mauser broom handle. Really not a copy. Externally it's a copy, but internally it's a different pistol. I think it's called the Astra 900. I forget the number on the pistol. Been a while. This is a Polish Tokarev, Yugoslavian Tok. Holds one more round than the standard Tokarev M57. Japanese Nabu. That's right from Okinawa, that pistol. And we have here a VZ52. I'm sorry, CZ52. Or is it? Yeah, CZ52. VZ are the rifles. Next up, P38. This is a Walther gun from 1945. Browning high power. This is an inch pattern gun from Canada. Inglis. Another P38. This is a not a Walther, but a Mauser, and I forget what this thing. This is an old Soviet revolver. Nagant. Is it called a Nagant? I forget. Purchased it a number of years ago, and it just sits in a box as a curio. Polish 9mm Radom, the Second World War. Another Browning high power. This one 1941 Nazi issue occupation gun, made during the occupation. 1911 Colt, Second World War. 1942, I believe. Yeah, this thing. This is it was designed by a Lahti. This is a Finnish Lahti. Man, I forget the number. Never did shoot this weapon. This one was actually issued to Denmark. Police weapon after the Second World War. Police trade-in. This is a Springfield XD9 subcompact carry home defense weapon. Shit. Knock these around. It's Car P9 carry. Car CM9 carry, both 9mm. Czech ZZ83. Walther PP. Polish P64. P7. H&K. P6 Walther Markov East German, or Makarov East German, CZ75B, Mauser HSC. This is a Walther PP Super from, I think these were built in the sometime during the 1970s, maybe 1960s, I forget. Oh man. Straighten these out a little bit. Oh man, what a mess. Whew. In any case, fellas, that's it. My handgun collection. I don't shoot them much. I'm not a handgun guy. The pistols on top are essentially carry weapons. I have shot those considerably. The rest below here, very little. They're more or less historical guns. And that's it for today. Yeah, I know it's been a while. I think my next video, I'm going to try to do a video on assault guns. Assault rifles, I should say. And we'll just bring out every assault rifle I own and go through them one at a time and give you a little historical background on the assault rifle concept, where it came from, where it went to. Okay guys, take it easy. Adios. Bye.